Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Hamburger Helper Chili Macaroni. This is 80-20 ground round. A lot of people don't know what I mean when I say I'm browning hamburger. This is what you do. You cook one side of it, then you flip it over, then you chop it up, break it up. Just like that. You just keep doing that until it's all a cooked brown color. Alright, the hamburger is fully cooked. Now it's time to add some water. Directions say 2 3/4 cups. I'm just going to eyeball it here. That looks good. Looks like they changed the packaging from the old white packs to these foil type ones. A noodle fell on the floor. It's Chester trying to eat it. Yeah, you're trying to eat it, aren't you? You're just going to dump it in. Make sure it all goes in there. Silicone coated so it won't scratch the surface of my pan. Now to add the noodles. These are elbow macaroni. Mix them down in there. And now we let it simmer until those noodles soften up. Just stirred it up after about 5 minutes. It's looking really good. It smells good too. Check out that boiling action. Here's what it's looking like after about 10 minutes. It's starting to thicken up a little bit. The noodles are getting soft. About 5 more minutes or so and it's going to be ready to eat. And remember, always recycle. Just turn the heat off. That's the consistency you want right there. Nice and saucy. The noodles are all plump and juicy. Oh yeah. Listen to what that sounds like. Alright, time to eat. And there you have it, the final product, ready to consume. If you like this video, hit like, leave a comment, hit subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Hey, you reached the end of the video. Now would be a good time to click subscribe. I made this outro special for this. I'll wait patiently until this video is done. Thanks for hitting subscribe. And if you didn't, I guess you'll miss out.